G'day folks, I just thought I'd test something going on the old, after reading a lot of comments on the video I did of what sometimes gets called a Widowmaker and sometimes isn't, a locking ring, technically a locking ring split rim. These are becoming fairly obsolete these days but still have their place. I just figured I'd try a different method of removing the ring because not everyone carries a full-size tyre lever in their truck. I want to see if I can remove it with an AK47 Bayonet. Well, I think it's AKM, but someone's going to correct me on that one. Not everyone carries one in their truck, but I figured since all the Taliban taxis probably have a few floating around in the back, well, give it a go. I don't have a tyre on this one. The tyre that I do have is actually incredibly stiff. I can't get the bead down. I can barely get the bead down far enough for a full-length tyre lever to work. But if the sidewalls are soft enough, especially on like a normal SUV tyre, you could definitely clear the bottom of the locking ring and then pick it out, I imagine. A flat blade screwdriver works. I don't know why you wouldn't be carrying a decent sized screwdriver set, but I just figured with a short little somewhat damaged AK bayonet, and I'm not fussed about damaging this one because it's already been re-ground a few times just as a shop knife. So let's see if it works or I manage to snap the end off it. And when I say re-ground, it got the whole edge had been ground square when it came into the country. It had to be demilled, so that's why this thing's a bit bunted. As long as you can expose the groove. I don't know how well this is going to work. It's going to snap. Alright. Haven't broken it. But can't get the full leverage. Just twist. That might work. There you go. At least by this point you could certainly get something else under there and pull it out. Oh, that does wonders on the back. But assuming you can get the bead pushed down far enough to clear this step, you can pry it out. And that's not much leverage there. Yeah, you can do it. Yeah, basically what I'm saying is you got to push this down far enough to clear that step, because otherwise it's locking it in there. Oh, that does wonders on the back. Oh. I'm going to watch that one. Anyway, that's interesting. Yeah, serviceability. That's pretty much all these are good for. Ease of serviceability with utilitarian tools. I mean, you could even use the edge to scuff the tube up and whatever if you don't have a proper buffer. As long as you got the adhesive and a patch, or preferably another one for the inside of the tyre, you don't leave an exposed hole in the tyre either. But at least the adhesive and a patch and some means of prying the locking ring out, you're pretty right. But if the tyre is stiff enough that you can't push it down past this, and I have already tried this, that makes it really hard. That's where you need a good sized lever or a full length screwdriver or something like that, good 2 foot long. Anyway, thanks for watching.